Yep, it's gonna be another wagon one. Today we're taking a look at a vehicle that is a long roof lover's dream. It's fast, powerful, and still has room for all the stuff you need to bring along on your daily commute or weekend adventures. Sure, the face of it isn't the prettiest thing in automotive design, but all other aspects are quite simply awesome. Today's bite of forbidden fruit is the BMW M3 Touring. I know that I'm always hard on BMW as they sit today. They don't really produce anything that speaks to me, minus a few models here and there. One of them, however, is a vehicle that is not for sale here in the States, and that's a shame because it's glorious. The BMW M3 Touring is the wagon version of BMW's iconic M machine, and this is the first time that BMW has built a wagon version of its M3. Yeah, I'm surprised too. I could have sworn there was an M3 wagon in the past, but it was always concepts and teasers, and the only production M-grade wagons were always M5 Tourings. So what is going on with this, the first M3 Touring that we don't get, and why is it awesome? Let's start with the power. Under that hood and behind those mega nostrils of power sits the twin turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. It's pumping out 510 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, and it sends it out to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Since this is a modern M product, of course, you have that magic all-wheel drive system that can cut power to the front, only send it out back, and then turn your lovely long roof into a laterally loquacious family drift sled. Is it quick? 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds. Is it fast? The top speed is 155 miles per hour, or 174 if you get the optional M Drivers package. Is it nice inside? The curved display merges the gauge cluster and infotainment screen, while the carbon bucket seats save weight, serve up serious support, and look cool too. And since it is still a wagon, you can fold down the rear seats and easily fit all your track gear, including wheels and tires with room to spare. Like spare room for your, you know what, you get it. But you don't get this wagon unless you live in Europe, South Korea, Japan, Australia, or New Zealand, and it costs around 80,000 pounds in the UK. In Australia, it's 180. And here in America, it's 0 because it's forbidden fruit.